Yes. Today our chapter is chapter number 5. Chapter number 5. We chapter AP arithmetic progression. Arithmetic
Arithmetic progressions.
progressions. Yes. First of all, I want to ask you what is AP? What is arithmetic progression? I will give the some examples. I will give the some series that is series. First series is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Second is 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. And third one is 1, 3, 7, 11, 15, 17 and so on. In these three series, what are you observing? What are you observing in three series? In first series, 2, after that 4, after that 6, 8 and 10. We are observing that common difference is same. Common difference, that is 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus 8, 2. Common difference is same. Here common difference is same in this series. Okay?
So 2.
Common difference is 2 and throughout the series common difference is same. So the list of terms, these are the terms: first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth terms. So the list of terms form an AP. Form an AP. Yes. Your next series is 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. And in this series we are observing that the common difference is same. What is the common difference in this series?
Sir, in the second one.
In second one.
1,
5. Yes. 5, 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 15 minus 10, 15 minus 10, 5 and 20 minus 15 also 5. So the list of term form an AP. Why? Because the common difference is the same throughout the series. Okay? Here common difference is 5. Here common difference is 2. Okay? In third series, 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 7 minus 3, 4, 11 minus 7, 4, 15 minus 11, 4 and 17 minus 15, 2. So the common difference is not same. Common difference is not same throughout the series. In this series, common difference is not same, so the list of terms don't form an AP. Don't form an AP. Don't form an AP. Why? I am giving you an examples. The first term is 3. The first term is 3 and the common difference is 5. How can we obtain the next term? If first term is 3, we will add common difference to first term. We will obtain the next term. 3 plus 5, 8. and if we add common difference to the second term, we will obtain the third term. 8 plus 5 13. Okay, and in third term if we will add the common difference, we will obtain the fourth term. 13 plus 5 18. Okay, and 18 plus 5 23, and 23 plus 5 28, and so on. Yes, if first term is given, first term is given, common difference is given, we can obtain a series. Yes, Pragati, which is doubt? What is the doubt?
Yes, sir.
General form of an AP. General form of an AP. Okay, let first term of AP, let first term of an AP be A. Okay, and common difference be BD. First term of an AP be A and common difference BD. Now general form of AP, please tell me. Yes, your first term is A. Second, what will be the second term? Please tell me. If common difference is D.
A plus D.
A plus
D.
Very good.
D.
D. If common difference D, second term is A plus D. Listen to me. Second term is A plus D. Common difference is D. What will be your third term?
A plus 2D.
A plus 2D. Next term will be A plus 3D.
A plus 3D.
Okay.
3D.
A plus 4D, and so on. Any problem?
No, sir.
Yes. Okay. Your first term can be represented as A1, second term A2, third term A3, fourth term can be represented by A4, fifth term can be represented by A5. Okay. Yes. Now your next topic is nth term of AP. Nth term of an AP. Okay. Yes.
सर थोड़ा धीरे स्क्रॉल करिए.
Note down it. Yes. A1. Yes, nth term of AP A1. A1 can be represented as A, and it can be written as A plus 1 minus 1 into D. A2. A2 can be represented as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. A3 can be represented as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A4 can be represented as A4 A plus 4 minus 1 into D.
4 minus 1.
A5 can be represented as A plus
Sir, A plus
D, and so on. AN can be represented as plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, this is the nth term of AP. This is the nth term of AP. Nth term of an AP. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do it fast. Listen to me. Listen to me. A5 can be written as a plus 4d. अगर यहाँ 5 है तो यहाँ पे 4 आएगा. A10 can be written as a plus 9d. Okay. A plus A26 can be written as A26. A plus 25d.
सर ये एक मतलब अगर अगर हम A5 बोल रहे हैं तो A4 A plus 4D मतलब ये टर्म क्यों?
A10 मतलब होता है 10th टर्म. हम 10th टर्म की बात कर रहे हैं. A10 मतलब ये है. तो यहाँ पे कितना है A26. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा A100 तो 100 टर्म्स की बात कर रहा है कि आपकी जो सीरीज के अंदर 100 टर्म्स है वो क्या है? A plus 99D. ठीक है. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ A55 मतलब एक सीरीज है उसमें 55th टर्म की बात कर रहे हैं हम. ठीक है. उसमें क्या है 55th टर्म क्या होगी? जैसे फर्स्ट टर्म है, सेकंड टर्म है, थर्ड है, फोर्थ है, फिफ्थ है, सिक्स्थ है, सेवंथ है. तो यहाँ पे A55 मतलब क्या है? A55th टर्म क्या होगी? तो A plus 54D होगी. समझ में आया? This is the series that is 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Okay. Your first term is 15. That is A is 15. Okay. Now second term A2. Second term, only second term. That is A plus D. A plus D is 30. And third term is A plus 2D is 45.
45.
And fourth term A plus 3D is 60. Okay. Fifth term क्या है? A plus 4D, that is 75. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Clear? Concept is clear? सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि A1 क्या है, A2 क्या है, A3 क्या है, A4, A5 सबको समझ में आ रहा है क्या है?
Yes, sir.
एक्सरसाइज 5.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे आइए. एक्सरसाइज 5.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.
करो ना. अब मेरे लगा.
Have you done? Yes. Exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1.
Please mute your mic.
Exercise 5.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फर्स्ट पार्ट में देखेंगे. ओके. Write first four term of AP where the first term A and common difference D are given as follows. Okay. First part, A is 10, D is A is 10. B is also 10 given in the questions. Now first four term of AP. First four terms of
Sir,
an AP.
question 1 is on homework.
नहीं करवाएंगे बाद में. देखिए your AP will be A plus B, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Okay, your first term is 10 plus D, D is 10, A but is 10 and 2 into 10, A is 10, 3 into 10. Okay, and down in problems 10, 20, that 10 plus 20, 30 and 10 plus 30 that is 40. And down in problem any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Now question number 2, fourth part. Question number 2, fourth part. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2, fourth part. A is minus 1, B is 1 by 2. Next, fourth term of AP. What is A? A1 is A minus 1. A2 is second term A plus D. What is A? Minus 1. What is D? LCM is 2. LCM is 2. 2 minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1 by 2. Okay. What is A3? Third term. A plus 2D. What is A? Minus 1. D is 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Okay.
0.
And what is fourth term? A plus
It will be A plus 3D.
3D. Very good. What is A? Minus 1. What is D? 1 by 2.
1 by
That is 3 by 2. LCM is
2.
minus 2 plus 3. That is 1 by 2. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
first four terms of an APB. That is, first term is minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2.
0.
Minus 1, 0.
No, sir.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 by 2.
Wait. Minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2.
Then 0.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3, fourth part. AP given. APs. If AP is given, common difference will be same. Okay. 0.6, 1.7, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, and so on. What is your first term?
0.2.
First term is A1, A 0.6. Common difference represented by small d, and that is A2 minus A1. What is A2 minus A1? A2 is second term, A1 is first term. What is second term? Second term is 1.7 minus 0.6. That is 1.1. 1.1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any problem? Question number 4, first part. 2, 4, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8, 16.
It's not an F.
ये जीपी बन रहा है, एक बन नहीं है.
So it's not an
It is not NAP. It is GP. Geometrical progression. It is not NAP. Because the common difference is not same throughout the series. Okay. How can we check it? That is A2 minus A1. 4 minus 2, that is 2. A3 minus third term minus second term. 8 minus 4, that is 4. And A4 minus A3, that is 4 term 16 minus 8, that is 8. Here common difference is 2, common difference is 4, and common difference is 8. The list of terms don't form an AP because the common difference is not same throughout the series. The list of terms don't form an AP because the common difference is not same throughout the series. पूरी सीरीज में कॉमन डिफरेंस है सेम नहीं. इस सीरीज SERIS एक पढ़ करवा देता हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ पार्ट. -10, -6, -2 and 2. Okay, -6 minus -10. minus 6 minus minus plus
plus 4.
that is 4. Okay. A3 minus A2. What is third term? Minus 2 minus minus 6 minus 2 plus 6 that is 4. Next is A4 minus A3. What is fourth term? 2 minus minus 2 minus minus plus that is 4. The list of terms form an AP. Why? Because the common difference
The difference is same throughout.
common difference is the same throughout the series. If common difference is same, we have to find out the next three more terms. That is fifth terms. A plus 4D. What is A? Minus 10 minus 10 plus 4 and common difference is 4 minus 10 plus 16 that is 6. Fifth, sixth or seventh, we have to find out fifth term, sixth term and seventh term. Sixth term will be A plus 5D. A is minus 10, 5 into 4 is D is 4, minus 10 plus 20 that is 10. Okay. And seventh term will be A7, A plus 6D. What is A? Minus 10, 6 into 4, minus 10 plus 24 that is 4. Any doubt in problems?